close family members, or individuals. This language used in this style may not be shared in public.
This style is common among peers and friends. Jargon, slang, or the vernacular language are used.
May bayaran, pre. Ayun nga, alam mo na yun. Siyempre. Oh my God! Frozen. Frozen in time remains unchanged, occur in ceremony.
Itaas ang kanang kamay at sabay-sabay natin bigkasin ang panatang makabayan. Panatang makabayan, iniibig ko ang Pilipinas, aking lupang sinilang.
Formal, used in formal setting. This is one way. Example, sermons of priests and minister, State of the Nation address of the President.
Good morning, everyone. I am the president of the school, here to make a statement about our current issue.
Consultative speech style. This style is the standard one. Professional or materially accepted. Language is a must in this style. Examples are teacher-student, employers and employees, doctors and patients.
Hey! What is the answer for number 2? Why is my wrong?
I got letter A, but let's ask Mom Solas if it's right.
Alright, let's go.
Ma'am, can we ask you a question?
Yes, come in.
What's the answer for number 2 po?
Finally found someone who believed me.
You know what I did then?
What did you do then?
Okay! Saba!
Occur remains.
Shot lang to.
Hindi, yun lang.
Shot lang.